creators! This week we will be attacking this PS5 box and making it into an upcycling monster! Yes, it's... We are giving 10 of our lucky subscribers a copy of our epic cereal box creations book with magic corners inside. To be in with the chance of winning, just hit like and subscribe now. Whoa! So the plan is to chop our upcycling monster shape out of this box, and we're going to pop that on top of a Zoomer wheel frame, which converts all sorts of stuff, bottles, boxes, cartons, into toy cars. If only we could afford a decent news presenter. Here's Trevor Trivial. Thanks, Pete. Here are some Christmas trash facts. Big numbers now. The UK spends £470 million on unwanted gifts. Another big number, £42 million of those gifts ended up in landfill. More later from me, Trevor Trivial. Let's get this monster drawn on the box so we can chop it out. Please ask an adult to help you before you cut. Now we're going to flip our box over. We're going to also flip this over so that when we trace round, it matches up. Now I want to chop out his neck. Cool. So we've got sort of our monster shape. Let's put our zoomer together, push it through. Roll it back and let go. I'm doing the head with the top of the box, and then we'll bring it down and along and down there. I need to mark where the folds go, so I'm going to make one mark there, and I'm going to make the next mark here. Fold the card. Take magic corners, just slot on, and you're going to see magically the front of our creature. There we go. This keeps bobbling around, so what I'm going to do is put the two magnets in. Here we go. And then the other one should go back there. So these two magnets are now in there. Awesome! And that means your box, it doesn't come out. Okay, so I've got my piece of card here. We're going to put a magic corner on this edge. That bit goes on there. One goes on there. And then one goes on there. Same thing again. I'll mark where the fold goes here. And pop the magic corners on. Show regulars will know Blink the JUNKO Zoomer. He will not be joining me this week. He informs me he is on a cycling holiday. So let's see what he's up to.
You muppet, Pete. I'm not on a cycling holiday. I'm on an upcycling holiday. I'm at the dump. Can't talk for long. I'm on pay as you go. Bye. Whee!
Oh, he's gone. Boy, is he going to stink when he comes back from that dump. He doesn't know it yet, but he's going straight into that bath.
You gonna take a bath, Spice? Come on, take a bath.
And now I'm going to cut a piece off the top of this lovely bit of packing material. It's kind of got an armour-plated top. I'm going to fold it down. We're just going to make a snip here and here. And then look at that. I made these things from Lego. One eye's got a kind of lensy thing. These fit onto our Lego compatible connectors. Just pushes on. That has a magnet in it. So let's put one on here. Good, and I'll do the same on the other side. So he's looking quite mad at the front, isn't he? Right, so that should slot nicely in there, and then we just need to raise it slightly. I'm going to cut a chunk of the inner box to use for that. And then we've got this here, which should be a snug fit. Corner on there. There we go. I'm just going to drop one of our mag fixes into here. That gives us a slot which we can put quite a cool little fin into. Nice. It's looking a bit scarier, isn't it? So we can use some of these cool graphics. So let's pop a wheel off and draw around it. Just push it in, clip. I wonder if we should have a tail that's a bit like lightning. I'm trying to squeeze in as big a tail as I can on this little piece of card. So we can stick that into one of our mag fixes. Metal tab, tail, slide it down. Cool. Unfortunately, here's Trevor Trivial with some news. I'm back with another Christmas trash fact. Beware, not all cardboard or wrapping paper can be recycled. If the card cannot be scratched with your fingernail and it's super glossy or super matte, there's a reasonable chance it has a plastic laminate. Why do manufacturers do this, you ask? Because they think we will buy more things if they are wrapped in shiny paper or packaged in perfect boxes. Trevor Trivial blowing your mind. Goodbye for now. I haven't measured them or anything. Let's give him a good set of gnashers for the top too. Cool, a couple of bits of tape. So I'm going to snip this about there and attach it with another magic corner. Ooh. Look at that, scary. We've just chucked into its mouth the bag that I think the PlayStation came in as well, so it can chomp on that. You can make this at home. You don't need a PlayStation 5 box. You can use any box at all, any box from a toy. You can use cereal boxes. There is no end to what you can use. You just need pencil, scissors, rubber, and a JUNKO Zoomer kit. How easy is that? If you do make something, please send us a picture or a video of it. We would love to see it. Until next time, have a great Christmas and happy creating. Bye!